Nature abhors a straight line. It loves chaos, irregularity, imperfection. Look at a potato. It is lumpy, unpredictable. But this is a mathematical equation, made edible, a perfect curve, identical texture, down to the millimeter. It is not a chip. It is an architectural construction. Welcome to the geometry of snacking. To achieve total standardization, one must first destroy the individual. Here, the potato is no longer a vegetable. It has become an abstract raw material, dehydrated, reduced to flakes, an inert snow, ready to be reset. Cornstarch, water, and emulsifiers are added. The goal is not cooking, but creating a food concrete, perfectly stable. What you see now looks more like a printing press than a kitchen. This beige paste is crushed under 4 tons of hydraulic pressure to form a continuous sheet, a sheet of edible paper. This is where the myth of the slice collapses. The machine cuts thousands of ovals. They are soft, fragile. They await their structure. Why this shape? It is not for aesthetics. It is pure aerodynamics. In mathematics, we call this a hyperbolic paraboloid, a double-curved saddle. This geometry prevents the chip from warping during cooking and allows them to be stacked without ever breaking. Each oval falls onto an individual mold, a metal cradle that will seal its fate. 11 seconds. That is all it takes. Plunged into boiling oil, held by force onto their molds, they have no choice. The water evaporates instantly, replaced by fat. They emerge rigid, cloned. A shower of seasoning falls on only one side. Why only one? Because when they are stacked, the seasoned face of one will deposit its flavor onto the back of the other. Efficiency down to the last molecule. No air, no void, no chance. The tube is not packaging. It is a grain silo for the modern consumer. Maximum caloric density in minimal volume. They say once you pop, you can't stop. Perhaps because this product was not designed to be eaten, but to be consumed in a loop, indefinitely. This is the genius of industry. Made in Cognito.